Ready to leverage LinkedIn to launch your career before you even graduate? First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or head to LinkedIn.com on your computer and log into your account. Click the Me icon. It's usually your profile picture in the top left-hand corner. Then, select View Profile. Find the Add Profile section button. It might be right under your profile picture and Introduction. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Education. A form will pop up here where you enter all your education details. Start with your school name, degree, and field of study. Then, add your start and expected graduation dates. Be as accurate as possible. Under the Activities and Societies section, list any relevant clubs, organizations, or projects you're involved in, even GPA. If you're comfortable, use the description box to highlight relevant coursework, projects, or responsibilities that relate to your career goals. Now, go back to your profile and scroll down to the Skills section. If you don't see it, go back to Add Profile section and look for Add Skills. Add at least 5 skills relevant to your field. Start connecting with classmates, professors, and alumni in your field. Expanding your network is key. Search for them using the search bar at the top. And that's it. You've now optimized your LinkedIn profile as a student and are ready to connect with professionals and explore career opportunities.